the price at which I have got this dress now, it's literally a steal deal. I think since the time Moana movie came, I was obsessed, and this literally speaks my obsession. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो वीडियो है it's basically a sale clothing haul. Now Amazon पे Prime Day sale आने वाली है from the 12th to the 14th of July, which means a lot of offers. मैं सब कुछ description box में mention कर दूंगी about the details, offers and everything. But I wanted to shop a lot from the sale and मैं क्योंकि Prime member थी मुझे कुछ चीज़ों का early access मिला. So I did get my hands on a few clothing items. बट इट्स लाइक अ मिक्स्ड हॉल. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ क्लोथिंग है, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ बॉटम वेयर है. मैंने सब कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा लिया जो भी मुझे आइटम्स अच्छे लगे. एंड आई लव क्लोथ्स, सो आई हैड टू शॉप ड्यूरिंग द सेल. एंड या आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू शो यू गाइस व्हाट ऑल आई हैव गॉट. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. Okay, let's get started with the first item. I did get few coordinate sets, so I want to show you guys that before. I have some dresses, t-shirt, everything, but let's start with the coordinate sets. सबसे पहले तो मैंने ये coordinate set लिया है. It's a printed, very pastel and a mix of like pink color coordinate set. Shirt है and नीचे साथ में इसमें ये shorts हैं. So ये देखने में ऐसे इतना नहीं समझ में आएगा. So let me just attach a video over here and show you guys how it looks on wearing. Honestly, I am so impressed with it because I was not expecting the quality to be so good. कपड़े का मटेरियल, इट इज लाइक विस्कोस मटेरियल बट इट इज सो कम्फी. द शर्ट इज लाइक ओवरसाइज फिट विच आई रियली लाइक, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी वेकेशन अप्रोप्रिएट आउटफिट. मतलब इफ आई एम ट्रैवलिंग, इफ आई एम ऑन अ वेकेशन, इवन अगर मैं किसी ब्रंच पे जा रही हूँ, आई एम जस्ट मीटिंग अ फ्रेंड, आई वांट अ कैजुअल आउटफिट जो मैं किसी भी टाइम पहन सकूँ. This has to be that one outfit. I love the colors. I love the print play happening. I love everything about this coordinate, and I think this was under rupees 500, so it's also very budget friendly. I think when you find something like this which is so budget friendly and looks so nice, you cannot say a no to it. So yeah, that was the first item I got, and I really like how it looks on me. Okay, next up I got another coordinate set. So it's this material जो मैंने Zara में देखा था, but वहाँ बहुत महंगा था, तो I skipped, and of course I found an alternative on Amazon. So it's this full sleeve shirt kind of thing, and this is how it looks. The color looks a little different on screen. In real life it's अभी जैसे इस पे हल्का सा येलो टिंज लग रहा है. It's not yellow, it's just a very pretty color. and इसके साथ ये full pants हैं जो कि लूज लूज से एकदम फ्लेयर है इसमें. अच्छा, so it's like a coordinate set of like this shirt kind of thing and this pant. Now this is a good lounge wear also. जस्ट समथिंग जो आप मीटिंग पे जा रहे हो, बाहर जा रहे हो, कैजुअली फ्रेंड से जा रहे हो, मूवी नाइट पे जा रहे हो, आप तब पहन सकते हो, आप घर पे भी पहन सकते हो. यू कैन वेयर इट फॉर योर एयरपोर्ट लुक. बहुत सारे जगह पे मैं इसको सोच सकती हूँ पहनने का, एंड इट लुक्स स्टनिंग ऑन वेयरिंग. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स ऑन वेयरिंग. आई जेन्युइनली लाइक इट अ लॉट. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसे आइटम ना सबके पास होने चाहिए. अगर आपके पास ऐसा कुछ है, आप उसको 10,000 डिफरेंट वेज में स्टाइल कर सकते हो. मे बी 10,000 थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, बट येस, यू कैन डेफिनेटली स्टाइल एटलीस्ट इन 10 डिफरेंट वेज. एंड 10 चीजें तो मेरे दिमाग में ही चल रही हैं हाउ आई कैन स्टाइल इट. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस वन, एंड इसमें बहुत कलर्स थे, बट सिंस आई डिड नॉट हैव anything like this color, I do realize मैंने अभी जो मैं देख रही हूँ कपड़े, मैंने काफी कुछ पिंक टोन्स में उठाया है, but I really like this one, and this was again under rupees 500 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, that's the next item that I got. Okay, next I got is like a night suit come coordinate set, but it is so nice. So it basically says the Breakfast Club. This is the t-shirt which says the Breakfast Club. Now I got everything in like size small, all the coordinates, t-shirt, night suit, whatever you're gonna see, सब कुछ size small में है. So if you are my body type, you can just go for size small. And this is a t-shirt. I really like this one, and बहुत ही comfy है, material बहुत अच्छा है. It says the Breakfast Club, and it comes with these shorts which are not like very short, so I can wear it आराम से. एंड ये मैं लिटरली ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग पे घर के नीचे उतर रही हूँ तो पहन के जा सकती हूँ. एज अ नाइट सूट तो डेफिनेटली. एंड आई लव आइटम्स जिसमें बस आई कैन लाउंज पूरे दिन घर पे, एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ दोज आइटम जिसमें आई कैन लाउंज पूरे दिन घर पे. सो yes, this is the next item that I got, and I love it again because I just feel मैंने थोड़ा variety pick करा इस बार outfits में. It's not just one theme following. I just picked everything that I liked, and इसीलिए थोड़ा variety आप देख रहे हो कि coordinate sets था, नाइट सूट हो गया. नेक्स्ट आई हैव अ ड्रेस कमिंग अप फॉर यू गाइस. सो या आई थिंक एक ऐसा नाइट सूट सबके पास होना चाहिए विच इज सो कम्फी एंड नाइस. एंड just something that you can wear outside also. You know, कई बार आप यहाँ कोई गेस्ट आया है, आप किसी और के घर गए हो, you cannot wear your, like I have teeny tiny एकदम shorts in night suits, and maybe at some point I am uncomfortable if I'm going to a relative place. I can't wear it and I don't want to wear like a full length night suit. उन cases में ये मेरे लिए बहुत comfortable है because the length is like perfect एकदम. Okay, next up I got a dress and it's such a pretty dress. So this is what the dress looks like. It's a tiered dress and oh my god, it's huge. You can't see it on the camera aise pura, and it is halter neck, so you have the neck detailing right here. It does have this transparent strap for a little bit of support in case you do not like just the halter neck thing, but you can totally skip the straps and just wear it with the halter neck. And this is again adjustable, तो आप इसको adjust कर सकते हो. This is how it looks in wearing. I think इसका true beauty ना जब ये पहन रही हूँ तब आ रहा है, and the color is so pretty. It's this baby pink color which is literally so much in my wardrobe at this point because I'll wear a lot of pink, even though pink is not my favorite color, but मैं बहुत pink पहनने लगी हूँ and I like it on me, so yeah. But this is how the dress looks, and just a very breezy, effortless dress, again perfect for like vacations, or if you're traveling, or even for like a brunch date, going out with your girls. Birthday dress inspo उन सब occasions के लिए I think ये काफी appropriate रहेगी. So that is the next item that I got. Okay, moving ahead, I got my favorite t-shirt and I am so in love with this. So this is what I'm talking about. It's the Moana print t-shirt. And अगर आपने मेरा Amazon का oversized t-shirt haul देखा होगा, I even got like a Moana पिछले haul में. This is in size M. This is the only thing I got in M because I wanted that baggy fit, and S मेरा maybe true fit होता. So I went ahead with M, and this is how it looks like. Look at the print. It's so nice. It just says Moana, Adventurer, Voyager, Wayfinder, and niche it says Daughter of the Sea. Land and sea, all is one. It says Daughter of the Sea, and I love the sea, and I love Moana in general, so I had to get it. Blue in color. I love blue also, and this is how it looks on wearing. Super comfortable. I think you can never have too many t-shirts, especially if you're someone like me जो घर पे रहता है, घर से काम करता है. You just need a good t-shirt to lounge in, and this is what I got, and I'm loving it. The material is so nice. This is from Juneberry. इनकी मैंने बहुत t-shirts ली हैं पहले भी, and they have this whole Disney collection. Plus, it is under rupees 500 again, so I love it. Okay, coming to the last item of this haul. So I did get like a black jogger trouser kind of situation, not jogger but like a trouser pant situation. This is how it looks like. This is from this brand called as Gracie Looks, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a homegrown brand on Amazon, and इसका material मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's this ribbed material थोड़ा सा, and it's just perfect. The length is perfect, the waist is perfect. इसको आप adjust भी कर सकते हो because drawstring भी of course. And I just feel like a basic black trouser like this is super important for your everyday errands, या फिर just अगर मैं जैसे टी शर्ट पहनी थी इसके पहले, उसके साथ भी मैं कुछ पहन रही हूँ, तो आई कैन जस्ट वेयर समथिंग लाइक दिस. नॉट एवरी टाइम यू वांट टू वेयर शॉर्ट्स, नॉट एवरी टाइम यू वांट टू वेयर समथिंग which is jeans. So black is the most comfortable thing that you can own and goes with everything. So yeah, that is the next item that I got. So yeah guys, this was everything that I got recently from the Amazon sale. You guys comment and tell me which one was your favorite. If I have to pick mine, I think the Moana t-shirt and the night suit. These two are my absolute favorite. वैसे तो सभी कुछ अच्छा लगा मुझे. But yes, everything that I got is from Amazon. Amazon the Prime Day sale is also almost here. So आप description box में check कर लेना details, offers. मैं सारे जो भी product के links हैं वो भी description box में mention कर दूंगी along with pinning it in the comments. So don't forget to check it out. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon again with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.